First off, you'll need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While the oven is heating up, it's time to prepare your pie crust. You can use either a store-bought crust or a homemade one if you're feeling adventurous. Place the crust into a 9-inch pie plate, fitting it snugly and crimping the edges for that lovely homemade aesthetic. Now, arrange a cup of pecan halves on the bottom of the pie crust. Next, it's time to concoct the filling. You'll need 3 large eggs, a cup of corn syrup, half a cup each of granulated and brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of bourbon, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk these ingredients together in a mixing bowl until they're well combined. Now pour this filling mixture over the pecans in the pie crust. Once that's done, the pie is ready to bake. Place it in the oven and let it bake for about 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when the filling is set and the crust is a beautiful golden color. The filling should still have a slight jiggle to it, but don't worry. It'll set as it cools. Once it's baked to perfection, remove the pie from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack. After the pie has cooled, it's ready to be served. You can enjoy it as it is, or level it up with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.